Today's word is hillbilly. It means informal, often derogatory, a person from a remote rural area in a mountainous region, especially from the southeastern United States, often characterized as unsophisticated. Here are two examples using this word. The old comedy show relied on stereotypes, often portraying a lazy hillbilly character. Some musicians reclaimed the term hillbilly to describe their traditional folk and country roots. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are yokel, rube, country bumpkin. Antonyms are sophisticate, cosmopolitan, urbanite. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.